Come on, little ponytail holder. Ooh, there goes some relief. Oh my gosh. Oh. Y'all, this was a fail.
Hey everyone, what's up YouTube? How you doing? You good? Me, I am chilling and I am back with yet another video. Okay, so before we even get started, if you are not a part of this family, I just want you to do one thing and one thing only, okay? One thing, one thing, and that's hit that subscribe button right there. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Come on, join the crew, okay? Your girl is hilarious. She's funny. She real. Jasmine is just Jasmine, okay? Even though I'm talking in third person. Anyway, if you are a part of this family, if you are one of my family members, I just wanted to let you know that I see you, boo, okay? And I want to thank you for just clicking on another one of my videos and allowing me to bask in your presence once again. Okay, let's jump right into this video. This is just a really quick intro because I was about to go stretch my hair and I was like, oh snap, I never put out that video of me trying out Naturally Chic's stretching technique because I really like for my roots to get real nice and stretched, and I was like, oh, I never got a chance to put out that video. So that's what this video is. This is just me trying out her technique because I thought it was really cool and real interesting. It was the first time I've ever seen something like that before. But why I thought about it is because right now, you hear that? I got this wig on because she's deep conditioning underneath this, okay? So I'm about to go wash my hair and stretch my hair the way that I normally stretch it because this was a fail to me. And you'll get right into that as you'll see. And the only reason why it was a fail to me because some people might think that it was okay. But for me, my hair is normally stretched way more when I do it my way than when I did it this way. It's still a perfectly good stretching technique, but you'll get into that more so in the video. I just wanted to come and give you guys a real quick intro and let you guys know that I love you so much and enjoy the video.
Alright, so my hair stretching routine always begins on wash day. I am saturating my hair with water and working on one side at a time. I'm going to make 4 ponytails on each side. So today I'm doing 8 ponytails, but depending on how stretched I need my hair to be, I will usually make anywhere between 6 to 10. But just a tip, the more ponytails you make, the more stretched your hair will be and the quicker it will dry. So just FYI. Once I have my first section, adding on some more of the conditioner and working it all the way through the hair so it's thoroughly coated. Then I'm taking my detangling brush and starting from the bottom, I'm working my way up to the roots. I'm going to gently detangle and ensure I don't have any knots in my hair. Into a ponytail with an elastic band like this one. Alright, now I have my 8 sections gathered. I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the conditioner, working the water all on my head and different parts so I'm getting it all out.
Alright, y'all, so it is 11 y'all. It is super late. So what is that? 9 to 11, 12, about 18 hours. Wait, what is it? 13, 15 hours? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 16 hours, about 16 hours that my hair has been in these braids, okay? And I've been walking around here looking like set it off, okay? Like I'm from the West Coast all day like this, y'all. I had my hair like this, like literally. Just had to be at church, and I had some running around to do. Y'all know it's Saturday. If you didn't know, but I'm recording this on Saturday. Tomorrow's Easter, so I had a whole lot of running around to do. So, yeah. But let's go ahead and get into this. I'm recording 2 videos, so I got a long night ahead of me. But let's start off. All right, let's take this off. And let me put my mirror over here so I can see. Okay, all right. Let's start off by talking about these ends. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the TheChicNatural's ends did not look like that. Do you see that puffiness? There's another one. They're just like puffy at the end. Can you see that? Can you see that puffiness? I rotate it, but yeah, I don't know if y'all can tell. I don't know if y'all can see that. My background is pretty light, but yeah, what else? All right, so I think that's, oh, what is that, child? All right, so that's the first thing that I noticed. That's like, my ends are really, really puffy. Now, my roots, honey, my roots are straight now, okay? I wish I can get a shot of this part in the back. Let me see if I can get a shot of this part in the back. So my ends is the first con I have with this method for my hair type. Like, I don't know, it's like just really, really poofy. I have a way that I stretch my hair, and I'll show you guys that later on. I don't know when I'm going to be able to record that, but I have a way that I stretch my hair that I think I'm going to stick with. Because I think my hair is just too thick for these braids. Maybe I should have did more braids. I don't know. I felt like I did enough for each side. I felt like that was more than enough. Okay, so here's con number 2. My edges hurt. So clearly, like, this has nothing to do with the TheChicNatural. Clearly, I did these ponytails way too tight. Way too tight, okay? And, like, my head is sore. And then, can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Can y'all see? I have a piece of hair that is attached to these two, so I don't even know how I'm gonna take that down. Y'all, this was a fail for me. This, Y'all, can y'all see that? That piece that is attached to both of these pieces. Yeah, this no heat blowout method for me is a fail. Okay, didn't work. But we're gonna go ahead and take these down. She started off by taking down the ooh, y'all, it's so tight. I did these way too tight, y'all. Ooh, y'all, the relief. Now, here's a pro. These roots is stretched from here to there, okay? Because these things is about straight. I will give that. I like the, can I talk? Y'all know I can't. I can never talk. But I like that fact. I like the fact that my roots are really, really straight. If that made any sense. This not the method. Y'all, these ponytails are way too tight. I don't know what I was thinking. This is not the method for me. But the TheChicNatural, her hair was really, really cute when she finished. Her hair always cute, and her parts is always straight. Like, girl, how your parts always straight? How you got a perfect part every time? I'm in my feelings. My parts don't never be straight, y'all. Clearly, if you've been watching this video. It's so tight. It's so tender. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Ooh, y'all, them ponytails is way too tight, y'all. If you do this, don't make your ponytails tight at all. Like, I don't know how you're gonna stretch it without making them tight, but don't make them tight, y'all. Don't do that. Y'all, okay, just give me a minute. I need to massage my scalp. Okay, so now it is time to comb out each of these sections. All right, let's see what this looking like. stretched, y'all. Maybe I'm just used to the stretch that I get when I do it my way. So, but I wanted to try it another way. I thought it would be nice. I don't like it. I don't like it. Ouch. I don't know what I did. Girl, because this is looking like a braid out. Okay? There's no stretch here. This is looking like a braid out. Yeah, like it's defined. Did I not braid tight enough? But look now, my roots are stretched now. These roots are stretched now. Y'all, and I really don't like using this brush to comb my hair. Y'all, I think we're gonna close this out. You know, we're not about to keep doing this. Y'all. And I don't like it, and I really don't want to keep going. Cause I feel like I'm just breaking my hair off. The things we do for YouTube, y'all. Oh my God. I really don't want to keep going. My hair real nice and moisturized though. My hair real nice and moisturized though. Y'all, so y'all, my scalp, this feels so good. Now I will say that I can definitely get to my roots. Okay, I can definitely pull my hair up. I can definitely pull it back if I wanted to. Okay, but though her hair came out like perfect. Okay, the TheChicNatural's hair came out perfect. When I stretch my hair normally with my normal method, it comes out, my hair is way more stretched than this. This is legit like afro, like combed out curls turned into an afro. But my roots, these roots, okay, these roots is stretched, okay? These roots feel good. Y'all, this feels so delicious. But anywho, I'm gonna close up this video because you've seen me do enough and failing in this attempt to be like the TheChicNatural in all her perfectness with them parts. Y'all, did y'all see them parts? Did you see them parts? I'm trying to be like you when I grow up. Okay, I'm trying to part my hair like you one day. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, my only tip if you were to try this is to definitely do not, I repeat, do not make them ponytails too tight because your hair, your scalp will be sore. Okay, sore. All right? But your roots will be straight, but your scalp will be sore. On that note, if it's not too much, please feel free to like, comment, and or subscribe. Until next time, bye.